Hi guys. Mele. Say cheese. Ano naman kaya yung inaano niya? Pinagkakalat niya. Guys, good morning. Welcome sa ating panibagong video today. It's a very gloomy Sunday today. I'm just saying hello to the guys. Can you say hello to the guys? Say hello to the guys. Hi guys. Excited na siya mag-breakfast, guys. So as I said, it's very gloomy Sunday, guys. Super, the weather's not giving. Since kahapon is very, pouring. Sobrang maulan. And I heard dyan sa Pilipinas is very bagyo-bagyo ba. So si Cameron, si Daddy Cam he want to shop to buy egg. Kasi naubusan na ng egg. So para makapag-breakfast na din si Millie Boo. Yan. Oh, don't touch my stuff. That's the pasalubong for Ninong Martin. Let's go downstairs now, come on. Let's go downstairs now, please.
Baby.
Yeah, where's your Bobby? It's here.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Baba na kami, guys, para makapag-breakfast na, para pagkadating ni Daddy Cam, andun na kami sa baba.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, you can have bread.
Say hello, Millie.
Hello.
Say hello, vlog. Hello, guys.
You want scrambled egg as well? Guys, I'm gonna cook scrambled egg. Meron akong Jollibee dito na chicken.
You gonna cook rice?
Yeah, I have. Oh, or maybe I'll just bring that later when we go. Tinatamad pa ako kumain.
Bring that where?
On the way. Yeah, McDonald's as well. You want egg, scrambled egg as well?
Yeah, just cook 4 of them.
So, magluluto ako ng scrambled egg, mga ma'am. Apat yung lutuin ko. Kasi for our breakfast and then croissant. So, kuha tayo ng bowl. Guys, alam niyo nakakapanibago mag-vlog. Parang hindi ako sanay. Ulit, it feels strange. Pero to be honest, na-miss ko mag-vlog. Kasi parang nakapahinga din ako in fairness for like 3 months. Nakita ko sa YouTube ko, parang 3 months ako hindi nakapag-upload. And ayun, parang nakapagpahinga din ng person kahit papaano. Pero kasi sa totoo lang ng mga parang na-drain din yung ko, yung self ko. Kasi super nakakapagod din talaga maging content creator. So obviously, sa Facebook pa din naman kami. Follow nyo kami sa Facebook, guys, kasi may mga videos kami doon and nakakakuha yung mga videos namin doon. You didn't even eat the sausages, one love. My love, you didn't even eat the sausage hot dog.
Really?
You.
I'm not used to it because we used to vlog every single day for years. How many years? Like 3 years? No, we haven't.
You go here.
No, we haven't vlogged well since
3 months ago.
more than that.
It says on my YouTube 3 months
Yeah,
ago.
but really, really well, like
Yeah.
years. Because we've been focusing on Facebook more.
And then the last time I vlogged when we came back from here as well.
Yeah, the last time we vlogged was back in the UK.
Because I've already explained you in my recent vlog, guys. So what do you feel right now? Vlogging again.
Brings back old memories.
But yeah, lots of things that change now, guys. Look at Millie. She's walking well. She's talkative. The last time I think I vlog is hindi pa siya talaga totally marunong magsalita. But now she's very talkative now. Sine mo lang.
Anger issue.
So magluluto na ako ng egg. Scrambled egg. Nagmamadali na nga ang customer ko eh. Sabi niya, bread. Sine? My customer is really rushing me now. Gutom na. Maybe I can have that for my merienda. She's sa taas siya. I'm not sure what she's doing there, but I think she's what?
I'm ready.
She's going somewhere?
No, she's pretty ready.
What time are we gonna go to Bobby's house? Tapos later, pupunta kami sa bahay ni Bobby, sa jowa ni Momshi. Magla-lunch kami doon. Kasi nga, today is the day na babalik kami sa north. Later, uwi kami ng north. Kasi doon yung namin sakay namin.
Philippines?
Yeah. Doon kami sasakay sa Manchester Airport. Doon kami sasakay, guys. So this is gonna be her. Millie only wants one. Two, please. And then apple. Here's your breakfast, madam. What you gonna say to mommy? Welcome. Here's your fork. You like it? And here's your milk. Ito sa akin. Ano to? Croissant na may cheese.
Guys, for my breakfast, I got egg and a jolly hot dog that was left over from yesterday because, really don't want to waste it.
It's not leftover. I bring it to you.
Yeah, Rich bought it yesterday in Jollibee, but I was too full, so I'm just going to eat it now. Almost packed.
Nag-i-empake na kami, guys.
I'm going to put that in the left.
This one?
Even Millie's jumper. So,
This one, show you. Milk
doesn't
bag.
need milk anymore. Good.
Guys, we're ready to go na. Ini-empake na nila yung mga dala namin, guys. Charlie will be driving. Yeah. Yan, namamroblema na sila kung paano ilagay ang suitcase. We have a lot of stuff.
I'm going to get the other big one, and the big one can go there. In the bedroom.
Just put the, I think the stroller in
Might have to go in
the back of, Charlie's. Yan, and then si Millie nasa loob, guys. She's eating. She's eating dinner, mac and cheese. Are you enjoying your meal? You like it? Yes, you are. Silence means yes. Empake na. Parang buong buhay yung dala-dala na. Si Daddy Cap pala is pupunta, nag-drive siya ng McDo. Kasi nag-take out siya ng pagkain. Kakainin namin on the way. Pero si Miley, syempre, kakain na siya agad dito. Kasi, para makakain talaga siya ng maayos ba. So, kanina, pagka-uwi namin, galing sa bahay nila Bobby, is natulog din si Miley. Di lang kami nagtagal doon, kumain lang kami before umalis kasi nagluto yung nanay niya ng ng curry para kay Cameron before kami umalis. Yan. Tapos binigyan niya si Millie ng damit. Lagi niya yung binibigyan ng damit. Last time nung pagpunta namin dito, binigyan din niya ng mga damit si Millie. Say hi, Millie, to the guys. Wait. You don't like it?
No.
You don't like it?
They're not a good one.
No. I eat. Ow.
Put it in the bin then. Should we put it in the bin?
Food is ready for the road trip. So, yun guys, ito na si Daddy Cam. Kain tayo kasi gutom. Tong bata na ito, ang kulit. Siki. Siki, don't go there. Siki. Where are you going? Binihisan ko pala siya, guys. Para comfy lang. And then, binihisan ko din yung diaper. Binihisan ko din siya ng bagong diaper para, syempre, diba, fresh. Ano na talaga itong ano? Yan pa yan. Parang, alam mo yun, bulate ba? Na nilagyan ng asin. Right on my back. We're gonna go downstairs. Kumain lang si Charlie kasi before siya mag-drive guys. Hindi siya makakain kapag mag-drive siya, diba? So, kumain lang siya, then alis na rin kami. Yeah. Careful! Millie laugh. Yeah, just wait.
Much better this car. All the suitcases fit.
Guys, umalis na kami and time check, it's 7:06 in the evening. But
We're going back to my dad's up north. 5 hours drive.
yeah,
So we should reach midnight.
yeah.
Hopefully Millie will go to sleep.
Alas 12 na kami makarating ng madaling araw.
Check if I've got the key. That's what we need. All of that.
Did you get it? Nanaski. Guys, ayan, wala ng pantalon. Inubad na naman niya. Iba na naman yung pantalon kasi kanina yung isang pantalon is na dumihan kasi kumain. Anyway, pupunta kami ngayon sa nursing home, guys. Dito na kami sa bahay ni
Nana's house. Nana's house.
There's no
Nana's house.
there's no what do you call this?
Ghost. No, there is.
Ghost na yun. There's no wipes.
Yeah, we're going to Tesco's now.
Favorite.
And we're going to go to Tesco's, get Krispy Kreme.
Right.
And then go to the nursing home to see Grandpa.
Right.
Yeah.
Millie, what's Grandpa's face?
What's Grandpa's face? Show them. Show. What's the Grandpa's face?
He always done that to Millie. He knows it. When she sees a nursing home, she goes,
Show to Tito Charlie what's Grandpa's face. Come on, wear socks now.
been there a while, mate.
Sit down, please. Sit down to mommy's lap. Good girl. Feet. Feet. What color is your socks? Good job.
I got the guess how much it is.
Huh?
Guess how much?
The what?
It's
How much?
£1. It's good, isn't it?
Where? Oh, for
So that Spar is actually better than 7-Eleven.
for who?
They've got an ice cream machine in there now.
Why did you buy?
Well, no, for me. For me.
No.
Gonna get 5 of them.
Ano ba naman to? Hold her.
Ah! Oh, been held hostage. Are you gonna scream when you see Nana again?
Okay guys, we're ready to go now and pupunta na kami sa my care home. Like 10 minutes away.
You went to Tesco's first?
Magpunta muna kami Tesco because we're gonna buy a pasalubong.
Wipes. Yeah.
And wipes and, you know, Millie's snacks. Let's go. Bring your Bobby. Bring your Bobby now. Come on. I'm gonna go now. You wait, Mommy.
Careful now.
You wait. It's sunny now. It's dirty there.
Oh, we went in the cobweb.
And guys, kanina super dark. The sky is dark, but now,
Yeah, I can't see anything.
yeah, it's sunshine.
Toilet. Okay. Charlie.
Tara na guys. Lagay ko lang si Millie sa may kanyang car seat. Tete. Tito Charlie. Say Tito Charlie. Tete. Who's that? Who's that?
Daddy.
How about this?
Daddy.
That's Daddy as well?
Daddy.
No.
Hmm. That's Tito Charlie.
No.
Go now, Tito Charlie.
Go, go, go.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you at the care home, guys.
Look,
Bye-bye.
there's a Rusco.
Punta muna pala kami, guys, ng Tesco kasi nga bibili kami ng we gotta buy a donut for
You want chocolate croissants for Millie?
yeah, and buy her like a mango thing. She likes that.
That's it. You want a meal deal or something?
Yeah. Me and Millie gonna stay
Or do you
here.
want a salad bowl or something?
No, I'm not gonna eat salad bowl.
So what do you want then?
Or just sandwich and then, you know,
Or the what?
or sandwich and then like chicken thing.
Yeah.
We're here na guys sa may ano. That's your pasalubong. Guys, dito na kami sa may loob and we can't get in yet because, you know, may pinapakain pa siya. What did you got for your lunch?
I'm really annoyed.
Why?
But it said no duck mayo. So I can't have it.
You want my sandwich? Just take
Ham
the
and cheese.
ham.
No thanks.
Sure.
Have you tried this one?
No.
It's the best one.
Is it?
You can have it. I'm so excited
Are you?
for you to eat it. So I can taste it. Mmm. It's good. It's good, right? It's the best one.
Actually good though.
Right? That's why I'm upset I can't have it.
Mala, have you tried it?
The best one then.
No.
So, waiting lang kami guys kasi pinapakain pa siya. So, ganito yung loob ng... Ito yung sa labas. Yan. It's okay.
Hey, what do you want?
Hello.
Hi!
Just had pneumonia.
Just
Just had what? Just had pneumonia.
Yep. Donuts!
Oh, ooh.
Oh. Which one you want first?
All of them. You say hi to grandfamily.
What's Grandpa's face? You're doing it, man.
Ito yung si ukay-ukay. Ano na naman yan? What did you see again? You ask daddy if he'll let you to eat that.
Oh,
They're old. It's already, bad. It's dirty already.
Yeah.
Kapag dito kami guys, lahat yan, pinangahalongkat niya. Tapos meron pala kaming picture ni Emily dito. Dinala namin yan from Philippines. Then, yan. The CR. Tapos, that's it. It's just a little bit small room. Yeah.
what's the toilet?
CR. Toilet comfort room.
So,
Do you call CR here, sir?
no.
Sit. I don't know why they call it CR.